So today we're going to be cooking a seagull egg over easy and show you the size. I put it next to this chicken egg here. Over easy is my favorite way of cooking an egg, so I figured that'd be probably the best way. So I'm going to crack the seagull egg into the pan. I have to try that. There you go. So I heat up a little bit of butter in the pan. Letting that cook. And the egg cooked pretty fast, so we're just going to flip it over real quick. Hopefully I will not break it. So again, cooking from a wheelchair is not really preferred method of most professional cooks. Oh, I chose the wrong spatula. Wait, there we go, there we go. Ah, really? I'm gonna go and get a plate and serve it up on some toast. And it's gonna be delicious. Oh look, a plate has magically appeared on the counter. There. Hey, thanks for watching. Subscribe below to follow more grand adventures as I roll through Europe, and check out rollingdiaries.com for more info.